अब्ला नैबे मोनाबिलि पिकनिक स्पट दिनैहाय ओपनिंग जाय जोंनि चिरां डिस्ट्रिक्टनि मुंदांखा इन्डिया भुटान बर्डारनि जिनाखि मोनाबिलि पिकनिक स्पट दिनै 26 नभेम्बर दिनै बेखेव जानाय जाबाय दा नोंथांमोन लावखार ओंखाम जाग्रा एबा बेरायग्रा जायगा नायदिंग्रा नोंथांमोना दा फैनो हासिगोन बेयो बेखेव जानाय जाबाय दिनै दा बेयाव बेखेवनाय हाबाफारियाव बाहागो लानाय माखासे आलासिफोरजों आङो एसे सावरायनानै नोंथांमोननो दिन्थिनो एबा मिथिहोनो नागिरदों स' नोंथांमोना नायलांदो जोंहा माखासे आलासि दं बे हाबाफारियाव भुटाननिफ्राय फैनाय माखासे गिदिर अफिसियेल्सफोर बेयाव फैदों बिथांमोनजों आं एसे सावरायनानै बिथांमोननि सावरायनायखौ नोंथांमोना खोनासंनो हागोन स' वेलकम टू इंडिया
थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू वेरी मच
बे सार सासे बेनो जाहैबायमोन चीफ गेस्ट दिनैनि गाहाय आलासि so sir what is your introduction please I do not know properly
okay thank you first of all kuzuzangpo namaste
I'm
to all the viewers daopenju I'm the interim vice president for Bhutan India Friendship Association Gelfu chapter
okay yes very nice thank you for the introduction sara jaibai Gelfu chapter ni मोनसे interim vice president होनना बुङोनो माखासे गावसोरनि काउन्सिलनि बे आरो association
Bhutan India Friendship Association
Bhutan India Friendship जिनाखि relationship नि जिनाखि committee एबा council बिनि बिथाङा vice president आरो and how do you feel coming in India like in after attending today's program or what message you have by inaugurating this Mwnabili picnic spot today?
First of all, I would like to congratulate the committee members of the Mwnabili picnic spot committee who have actually developed this place, which is on the bank of the Mau River, or in India you call it I River. So on the bank of the I River, you have developed this beautiful picnic spot, which is going to be a big tourist attraction, not just for the Indian community, but even for the Bhutanese, because this is right on the border of Bhutan and India. So this is actually going to build relationships, because people are going to come here, they're going to enjoy the spot, and they're going to meet each other, talk about different things, enjoy, eat, make merry, and go back home with memories.
Right. So then, since you are of Bhutan India Friendship Councils, I would like to ask one thing: what message you have, or some welcome words you have for the Indian visitors to Bhutan?
We have to understand that Bhutan and India enjoys a relationship which no other countries in the world enjoys. We have one of the strongest relationships in the world. If you look today all around the world, every country they have relationship, but they always have some problem or the other. But Bhutan and India, we have the best relationship that you can even think about in this world. We are blessed. So that way I would like to say that in Bhutan the relationship is not just lies with the government, but for people to make the relationship better. So it is very important that Bhutanese and Indians, we work together, we help each other, and actually build the relationship on people to people level, and that is very important. Today, if you look at here, Hathisar, and we live in Gelfu, we are dependent on each other for a lot of activities, for a lot of socio-economic activities. So for that reason, so actually it is crucial that the people become responsible, and that they work based on their responsibility to enhance the relationship or to build and further the relationship. So it is very important. So my message is that all Indians are welcome to visit Bhutan, but when you visit Bhutan, please make sure you come with your voter ID card, which is very important. So with that, you have free access to Bhutan after you come with your voter ID card. And Bhutan is a place where you should visit, because you can learn about how we live in Bhutan. And at the same time, Bhutanese always enjoys coming to India. We love coming to Hathisar, to around Chirang district, so many towns. So we go there for business trips, for personal tourism, everything. So I would like to say that it is in our hands to build our relationship. So let us make our relationship better. It is right now the best, but we can make it even better than what is all around the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I would like to thank sir for giving his valuable speech on my channel today. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Good. And we have some other friends and officials from Bhutan. Hello. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
How do you feel here?
It was good, nice experience.
Yes,
and well organized.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Sorry because of Tamil.
No problem. No problem. That is mine also.
YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. Yeah. And another sir we have here. So welcome to India, sir.
Thank you.
How do you feel here?
I feel very good.
Yes.
Because people,
Yes.
they get one place to keep themselves engaged, you know,
Yes, yes, right.
especially for youth.
Youths, yes.
Right?
Good
We
organization.
do good.
Yes.
You can have good social activities here.
Yeah.
Yes.
And through that, the fees what they are collecting,
Yes,
that
yes.
fee, we can do more development within the area.
Right, exactly. Yes, sir. Very good suggestion. Okay, then. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
One more
Yeah.
trade, you know.